Strategic shift: China's killer whale unmanned warship set to enhance naval operations in the South China Sea by 2025. Date: February 10, 2025. Introduction. In a significant demonstration of its military ambitions, China has introduced the killer whale, a new unmanned surface vessel USV designed to bolster its naval operations in the strategically vital South China Sea. This unveiling occurred at the Zhuhai Airshow in November 2024, marking a pivotal moment in China's ongoing efforts to modernize its military capabilities. The killer whale represents a technological leap in naval warfare, emphasizing China's strategic shift towards unmanned systems and their integration into a multi-domain military strategy. Vessel specifications and capabilities. The killer whale, developed by the China State Shipbuilding Corporation (CSSC), is a trimaran drone ship measuring approximately 190 feet in length and displacing between 300 and 500 tons. It boasts impressive specifications, featuring a maximum speed exceeding 40 knots and an operational range of over 4,000 nautical miles (7,400 kilometers). These characteristics enable the vessel to conduct long-duration operations in open seas, which is crucial for China's assertive maritime posture in contested waters. One of the standout features of the killer whale is its versatility. The vessel can be equipped with a range of weaponry, including anti-ship missiles, air defense systems, and torpedoes. Additionally, it has a rear helicopter pad designed for launching drone helicopters, thereby expanding its operational capabilities. The vessel employs a modular mission package concept, allowing it to adapt to various roles such as surveillance, surface warfare, anti-submarine operations, and search and rescue missions. Analysts have likened the killer whale to the U.S. Navy's Independence-class littoral combat ship, noting its potential for significant operational flexibility. Technological innovations: the Feiyi drone. In tandem with the killer whale, China is advancing its drone technology, particularly with the introduction of the air-to-sea drone known as Feiyi. This innovative drone can be launched from submarines and is designed to transition seamlessly between underwater and aerial operations. Its foldable wing design enhances its stealth capabilities, positioning it as a formidable asset in naval warfare. The Feiyi's unique features, combined with China's extensive drone manufacturing capabilities, signal a potential advantage for China in future maritime conflicts. Strategic context: enhancing A2/AD capabilities. The introduction of the killer whale and the Feiyi drone is part of a broader strategic shift within China's military framework. The integration of unmanned systems is intended to enhance China's maritime surveillance, anti-access/area denial A2/AD capabilities, and overall naval power in the South China Sea and beyond. This shift is particularly relevant in the context of potential conflicts over Taiwan and other regional disputes where China aims to establish a robust military presence. China's strategy involves not only the development of USVs and unmanned underwater vehicles (UUVs) but also the enhancement of its surveillance capabilities. Analysts suggest that these unmanned systems will play a crucial role in countering U.S. naval forces and ensuring China's dominance in contested maritime areas. The deployment of UUVs for covert intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations further underscores China's commitment to integrating advanced technologies into its military strategy. Global implications in arms race. The unveiling of the killer whale and advancements in drone technology highlight the ongoing arms race in maritime capabilities, particularly between China and the United States. Both nations are exploring the potential of unmanned and autonomous warfare systems, with China seeking to leverage its technological edge to counter perceived threats from U.S. naval forces. The integration of UUVs and USVs into military operations may not only alter the balance of power in the South China Sea but also exacerbate tensions in the region. Moreover, the development of cross-media drones capable of operating in both air and underwater domains signifies a shift in naval warfare paradigms. These systems can potentially bypass traditional defenses, overwhelming adversaries through swarming attacks from multiple directions. As such, the implications of these technological advancements extend beyond regional conflicts, impacting global security dynamics and the future of naval warfare. Conclusion: the emergence of the killer whale unmanned warship and the accompanying advancements in drone technology represent a critical juncture in China's military evolution. By 2025, these capabilities are expected to significantly enhance China's naval operations in the South China Sea, reinforcing its strategic objectives in contested maritime regions. As China continues to invest in and deploy advanced unmanned systems, the balance of power in the South China Sea and broader Indo-Pacific region may shift, with profound implications for regional security and international relations. In summary, China's commitment to modernizing its naval capabilities through unmanned systems not only reflects its aspirations for regional dominance but also signals a transformative phase in the nature of naval warfare. The killer whale and its associated technologies underscore the need for vigilance and adaptability among global powers as they navigate the complexities of modern military competition. The unveiling of China's killer whale unmanned surface vessel USV represents a significant strategic shift in naval operations, particularly in the South China Sea. While the vessel has been marketed as an unmanned platform, its design and operational concept retain elements of human oversight, which might appear counterintuitive given the growing trend toward fully autonomous military systems. The killer whale is characterized by its modular mission package concept, allowing it to perform various roles ranging from anti-submarine warfare to search and rescue missions. However, the U.S. Navy's experience with similar modular concepts such as its littoral combat ships LCS has been mixed, raising questions about the practicality and effectiveness of this approach in real-world scenarios. The killer whale also showcases China's advancements in drone technology, particularly with its air-to-sea drone, the Feiyi. This drone's unique capability to be launched from submarines in transition between underwater and aerial operations introduces a new dimension to naval warfare that the U.S. military is still exploring. While the U.S. is developing its own cross-domain drones, China's rapid advancements in this area may give it a tactical edge, challenging the conventional understanding of naval engagements. Additionally, the strategic context of these developments indicates a broader arms race in maritime capabilities between China and the United States. The emphasis on unmanned systems, including unmanned underwater vehicles UUVs and USVs, suggests a shift in how naval warfare may be conducted in contested regions. Some analysts have noted that while these technologies may enhance China's capabilities, they could also exacerbate regional tensions and contribute to the already complex security environment in the South China Sea. In summary, the killer whale and its accompanying drone technologies highlight a nuanced evolution in naval warfare where the integration of unmanned systems may not only redefine operational capabilities but also challenge established military doctrines and assumptions. The implications of these advancements may extend beyond mere technological superiority, potentially reshaping the dynamics of power in maritime disputes and conflicts. The report on China's killer whale unmanned warship and its implications for naval operations in the South China Sea by 2025 contains several critical points that many may overlook but are significant for understanding the broader strategic landscape. 1. Modularity of the killer whale. One of the standout features of the killer whale is its modular mission package concept, which allows the vessel to adapt its capabilities for various roles including surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and air defense. While the U.S. Navy's littoral combat ship LCS also aimed for modularity, it faced operational challenges that prevented effective realization of this concept. The success of the killer whale in implementing modularity would not only enhance operational flexibility but could also set a precedent for future naval design. This adaptability is significant because it could lead to more responsive and versatile naval operations, allowing China to quickly shift its focus based on emerging threats or operational needs. 2. Integration with drone technology. The integration of the killer whale with advanced drone technologies, particularly the air-to-sea drone Feiyi, emphasizes a broader trend of cross-domain warfare capabilities. The Feiyi's ability to launch from submarines and transition between underwater and aerial operations represents a significant leap in naval warfare technology. This capability could allow China to conduct complex multi-domain operations that challenge the traditional paradigms of naval engagements. The Feiyi's design, which enhances stealth and survivability, could enable China to conduct reconnaissance and strikes with reduced risk of detection, which is particularly important in the contested South China Sea. 3. Strategic implications for U.S. naval forces. The advancements in unmanned systems and drone capabilities pose direct challenges to U.S. naval forces operating in the region. The U.S. Navy is also exploring similar technologies such as the Naviator drone, but China's developments suggest that they may be ahead in terms of operationalizing these systems. The ability of UUVs and USVs to conduct covert operations and enhance situational awareness in contested waters can significantly shift the balance of power. This could compel the U.S. to adapt its naval strategies to counter these emerging threats, potentially escalating the arms race in the Indo-Pacific. 4. Impact on A2/AD strategies. China's focus on unmanned systems is closely tied to its anti-access/area denial A2/AD strategy, which aims to deter foreign intervention in the region, particularly concerning Taiwan. By enhancing its maritime surveillance and strike capabilities through the killer whale and complementary drone technologies, China can create a more robust defensive perimeter. This strategic shift is significant as it complicates U.S. and allied operations in the South China Sea, making it more challenging to project power and respond to potential conflicts in the region. 5. Broader military modernization efforts. The unveiling of the killer whale is part of a larger trend of military modernization within the People's Liberation Army (PLA). This modernization encompasses not only naval capabilities but also integration across various domains, including land, air, and cyber. The focus on unmanned and autonomous systems reflects a strategic pivot towards technology-driven warfare, which could redefine military engagements in the 21st century. The implications of this modernization extend beyond the South China Sea, affecting regional security dynamics and the global balance of power. 6. Potential for regional arms race. As China continues to develop advanced unmanned systems, neighboring countries may feel compelled to enhance their naval capabilities in response. This could lead to an arms race in the region as other nations seek to counterbalance China's growing military prowess. The potential for increased military spending and arms development in Southeast Asia could destabilize the region, further heightening tensions and prompting a re-evaluation of defense strategies among regional powers. 7. Economic and technological implications. The technological advancements signaled by the killer whale and associated systems highlight China's growing capabilities in defense technology, which could have broader economic implications. As China becomes a leader in unmanned systems and military technology, it may seek to export these capabilities, influencing global defense markets. This could shift the dynamics of defense procurement and technology sharing among nations, potentially leading to new alliances and partnerships. Conclusion. The significance of the killer whale unmanned warship extends beyond mere technological advancement. It encapsulates a strategic shift in naval warfare that could redefine military engagements in the South China Sea and beyond. The integration of unmanned systems, the modularity of operations, and the implications for U.S. naval strategy are critical factors that warrant close attention. As China continues to modernize its military capabilities, the broader geopolitical landscape is likely to evolve, impacting regional stability and international relations. Understanding these nuances is essential for analysts, policymakers, and military strategists navigating this complex environment. 1. Technological advancements in unmanned naval warfare. The introduction of the killer whale unmanned surface vessel (USV) marks a significant leap in China's naval capabilities, showcasing advanced technologies such as a modular mission package concept and dual propulsion systems. This vessel is designed for versatility, enabling it to perform various roles including surveillance, anti-submarine operations, and surface warfare. Its ability to operate independently on the open sea for extended periods combined with impressive speed and range indicates how unmanned systems are reshaping naval warfare dynamics, particularly in contested regions like the South China Sea. 2. Strategic implications for maritime operations. The deployment of the killer whale and associated drone technology reflects China's strategic shift towards enhancing its anti-access/area denial A2/AD capabilities. This transformation aims to counter U.S. naval forces and assert dominance in contested maritime areas, particularly with respect to Taiwan. Analysts note that such advancements not only fortify China's military posture but also escalate the arms race in maritime capabilities. As both China and the U.S. explore the potential of unmanned and autonomous warfare systems. 3. Integration of cross-media drones. The development of the air-to-sea drone Feiyi, which can be launched from submarines, illustrates China's innovative approach to integrating various domains of warfare. The Feiyi's ability to transition between underwater and aerial operations enhances its stealth and operational flexibility, potentially giving China a tactical edge in naval warfare scenarios. This cross-media capability aligns with broader trends in military strategy where the integration of land, sea and air assets is critical for modern warfare. For regional security dynamics and U.S.-China rivalry, the advancements in unmanned naval systems are not isolated but contribute to a broader context of regional security dynamics and escalating tensions in the South China Sea and beyond. As China fortifies its maritime capabilities, the U.S. is also developing comparable technologies, such as the Naviator drone, to maintain strategic parity. This competition underscores the growing complexity of military engagements in the region, with implications for security alliances, maritime law, and potential conflict scenarios, particularly regarding Taiwan and the Indo-Pacific region. 1. The development of the German U-boat fleet. World War I and II. The strategic shift in naval warfare during the World Wars is epitomized by the development and deployment of U-boats by Germany. Initially, U-boats were used primarily for reconnaissance and limited engagements. However, as naval strategies evolved, these submarines became central to Germany's maritime strategy, particularly during World War I. The unrestricted submarine warfare policy aimed to cut off supplies to Britain and its allies, showcasing the effectiveness of underwater warfare. Similarly, during World War II, U-boats played a crucial role in the Battle of the Atlantic, targeting Allied shipping lines. The technological advancements in submarine design and tactics shifted the naval balance and highlighted the importance of stealth and surprise in naval operations. 2. The introduction of the aircraft carrier. Early 20th century. The early 20th century saw a strategic shift with the introduction of the aircraft carrier as a primary naval platform. The British Royal Navy's HMS Argus, commissioned in 1918, marked a significant evolution in naval warfare. Aircraft carriers allowed for the projection of air power far beyond the horizon, enabling naval forces to conduct strikes against enemy ships and land targets without direct engagement. This shift was further emphasized during World War II as carriers became the centerpiece of naval battles such as the Battle of Midway. The reliance on air power from carriers transformed the nature of naval engagements, demonstrating that control of the skies was as crucial as control of the seas. 3. The Cold War naval arms race. The Cold War period was characterized by a significant technological and strategic shift in naval capabilities, primarily between the United States and the Soviet Union. The development of nuclear-powered submarines such as the U.S. Navy's USS Nautilus represented a monumental leap in naval technology. These submarines could remain submerged for extended periods, providing strategic deterrence and the ability to launch submarine-launched ballistic missiles (SLBMs). The emphasis on stealth, speed, and striking power reshaped naval strategies, leading to a more complex interplay of naval forces in various theaters, including the Mediterranean and the Pacific. The advent of advanced missile systems and anti-submarine warfare technologies further complicated the dynamics of naval operations during this era, marking a stark transition from traditional surface engagements to a more nuanced and multi-domain approach to maritime warfare. The unveiling of China's killer whale unmanned surface vessel USV marks a significant strategic shift in naval operations, particularly in the contested South China Sea. By 2025, this vessel, along with advancements in drone technology, is expected to reshape the dynamics of naval warfare in the region. Here are several predictions and insights regarding the future outlook of this strategic shift. 1. Enhanced naval capabilities. The killer whale, with its impressive range, speed, and modular capabilities, will significantly enhance China's naval operations. Positioned as a versatile platform, it will allow the People's Liberation Army Navy plan to conduct a variety of missions, including surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and surface combat. Its ability to operate autonomously or under human oversight will enable it to undertake missions in high-risk areas without putting crewed vessels at risk. 2. Increased tensions in the South China Sea. The deployment of the killer whale and similar technologies will likely escalate tensions in the South China Sea, as it will be perceived as a direct challenge to U.S. naval power and regional allies. The U.S. and its allies may respond by increasing their naval presence and conducting freedom of navigation operations, which could lead to confrontations at sea. The integration of unmanned systems will intensify the arms race in the region as countries seek to counter China's growing capabilities. 3. Evolution of naval warfare. The introduction of unmanned vessels and drones such as the air-to-sea Feiyi indicates a transformative shift in naval warfare. These systems can bypass traditional defenses and overwhelm adversaries through swarming tactics and multi-domain operations. As both China and the U.S. invest in developing such technologies, the nature of naval engagements will evolve, favoring speed, stealth, and adaptability over traditional ship-to-ship combat. 4. Increased emphasis on surveillance and intelligence. China's focus on integrating unmanned underwater vehicles (UUVs) and USVs into its military strategy will enhance its surveillance and intelligence gathering capabilities. These systems will provide real-time data on naval activities, allowing China to monitor U.S. and allied movements in the region more effectively. This increased situational awareness will be crucial in any future conflict scenarios, particularly regarding Taiwan. 5. Strategic partnerships and military exports. China aims to establish itself as a key player in the global arms market, particularly in unmanned systems. The killer whale and similar technologies could attract interest from countries seeking to enhance their naval capabilities. China's emphasis on military exports will lead to the strengthening of strategic partnerships, especially with nations that share its interests in countering U.S. influence in the Indo-Pacific region. 6. Development of countermeasures. As China enhances its naval capabilities, it is expected that the U.S. and its allies will also invest in countermeasures against unmanned systems. This may include the development of advanced electronic warfare systems, cyber capabilities, and anti-drone technologies. The race to develop effective countermeasures will add another layer of complexity to naval engagements, as both sides seek to protect their assets while undermining the other's capabilities. 7. Long-term strategic goals. The strategic shift toward unmanned warfare aligns with China's broader ambitions of establishing regional dominance and asserting its claims in the South China Sea. By 2025, the successful integration of the killer whale and other unmanned systems into the plan's operations will bolster China's position in any potential conflict, particularly concerning Taiwan and its territorial claims in the South China Sea. Conclusion. The development and deployment of the killer whale unmanned warship represent a significant leap in China's naval capabilities and a strategic pivot in its military approach. By 2025, the implications of this shift will extend beyond regional dynamics, potentially redefining global maritime security. As both China and the U.S. navigate this evolving landscape, the emphasis on unmanned systems will likely dictate the future of naval warfare, challenging traditional paradigms and reshaping international relations in the Indo-Pacific region.